Welcome to the Daily English Podcast, where we make learning fun and engaging.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Podcast. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. Hello, friends. Emily, I am feeling very comfortable today.
Comfortable? That is good, Paul. Why are you so comfortable?
Because today we are talking about my favorite place in the world. We are talking about home.
Yes, today is a home vocabulary masterclass. Whether you live in a big house, a small apartment, or a studio, we're going to teach you how to describe every room, every furniture item, and every problem.
This is so important. When I meet new people, they always ask, "Where do you live?" or "Describe your house."
Exactly. By the end of this 80-minute session, you will be able to give a grand tour of your home in perfect English.
We have a lot of rooms to visit, Emily. The kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom.
We will visit them all, but before we open the front door, Paul has a special message for our family.
Yes, I do. Friends, if you want to speak English with confidence this year, please click the like button. It helps our family grow.
And please subscribe. We make these lessons for you every week. If you subscribe, you won't miss our new conversations.
Thank you for your support. Now, Emily, let's get the keys and open the door.
First, we need to answer the question, what kind of home do you live in?
Well, I live in an apartment. In British English, they call it a flat.
Correct. An apartment is usually in a large building. I live in a house, specifically a detached house.
Detached. That means it is not touching other houses.
Yes, if your house touches the neighbor's house on both sides, it is a row house or a townhouse.
And if you live in one big room where the bedroom and kitchen are together,
That is called a studio apartment, very popular for students.
okay, so I live in a two-bedroom apartment.
And where is it located? Is it in the city center?
No, it is in the suburbs.
The suburbs are the quiet areas outside the main city. It is usually greener there.
Yes, but the commute is longer. Emily, let's practice describing where we live.
Good idea. Listeners, repeat after me.
Okay, we walk through the front door. We are in the living room.
This is the heart of the house. It is where we relax. What furniture do you see, Paul?
I see a big, soft thing to sit on, a sofa.
Or you can call it a couch. They are the same. I am sitting on the couch.
Next to the sofa, I have a comfortable chair for one person, an armchair.
And what is in front of the sofa?
A low table for my drinks, the coffee table.
Paul, be careful with prepositions here. We put things on the table, but we sit on the sofa. However, if the chair is very big and wraps around you, you sit in the armchair.
Prepositions are tricky. I am on the sofa, but I am in the armchair.
Correct. And what is on the floor?
A rug or a carpet. A rug is a small piece. Carpet covers the whole floor.
And on the windows?
Curtains or blinds. I close them at night so neighbors can't see me.
Good idea. Let's practice living room vocabulary.
Now, my favorite room, the kitchen.
Because you love food.
Guilty. Okay, in the kitchen, we have machines. We call them appliances.
What is the most important appliance?
The refrigerator, but we usually just say fridge.
The milk is in the fridge. And the freezer?
The freezer is for ice cream.
How do you cook, Paul?
I use the stove, the top part with fire, and the oven, the inside part, for baking.
And if you are lazy,
I use the microwave. Beep beep, dinner is ready in 2 minutes.
after you eat, where do you put the dirty dishes?
In the sink, or if I'm lucky, in the dishwasher.
Paul, do you have a lot of cupboards?
Cupboards, those are the cabinets on the wall?
Yes, where you keep plates and cups. Cupboard.
Ah, yes, my cupboards are full of snacks.
Let's practice kitchen sentences. Okay, I am full of food. I am sleepy. I go to the...
Bedroom. The bedroom should be cozy. Cozy means warm and comfortable.
I have a bed, obviously. Next to the bed, I have a small table.
That is called a nightstand or a bedside table. What is on it?
A lamp and my alarm clock, my enemy.
Where do you keep your clothes?
In the closet, a small room, or a wardrobe, a piece of furniture.
And for folded clothes like t-shirts.
In a dresser. A dresser has drawers that pull out.
Now quickly to the bathroom.
In the bathroom, we have a shower and a toilet.
And a mirror.
I look in the mirror to brush my teeth. Emily, what if the bathroom floor is wet?
You need a bath mat. It is like a small rug for wet feet.
Okay, let's practice describing our private rooms.
Paul, homes are not perfect. Sometimes things break.
Oh no, this is the stressful part.
Let's learn the vocabulary for problems. Problem number 1. Water is dripping from the faucet. Drip, drip, drip.
We call that a leak. The faucet is leaking.
Problem number 2. The water in the sink will not go down.
The sink is clogged. Clogged. My shower drain is clogged with hair. Yuck.
Problem number 3. The lights go out completely. No electricity.
That is a power outage or a blackout.
Let's do a role play. You are the tenant. I am the landlord. Call me with a problem.
Ring, ring.
Hello?
Acting stressed. Hi, Emily. It's Paul from apartment 4B. I have an emergency.
What is wrong, Paul?
A pipe burst. The kitchen is flooded. There's water everywhere.
Oh no. Turn off the water valve. I will call a plumber immediately.
Please hurry. My socks are wet.
Role play ends. Good job, Paul. Plumber is the person who fixes water pipes. Note, the B is silent. Plumber, not plumber.
English is weird. Plumber. Got it. After the plumber fixes the leak, I have to clean the mess.
Yes, we call these chores, household tasks.
If the floor is dirty, I use a broom to sweep.
If the floor is wet, you use a mop.
If there's dust on the rug, I use a vacuum cleaner. Vroom, vroom.
What about your clothes?
I do the laundry. I put dirty clothes in the washing machine.
And when they are dry?
I have to fold the laundry. I hate folding laundry. It is so boring.
We also have a phrasal verb, tidy up.
What is the difference between clean and tidy up?
Clean means removing dirt using soap. Tidy up means organizing things, putting books on the shelf, toys in the box.
Ah, so my room is clean, no dirt, but it is messy, clothes everywhere. I need to tidy up.
Exactly. Let's practice chores.
Okay, the house is clean. Now I want to invite friends over.
This is called hosting. What do you say when a guest enters your home?
I say, welcome, come on in.
And then a very famous English phrase, make yourself at home.
Make yourself at home. That means relax, act like this is your house.
Yes, you should also offer them something.
Can I get you anything to drink?
Or let me take your coat.
Let's role play. Emily, you are visiting my apartment. Knock, knock. Opens door. Hey, Emily, long time no see.
Hi, Paul. Thanks for inviting me. Your apartment building is nice.
Thank you. Come on in. Let me take your jacket.
Thanks. Looks around. Wow, your living room is so spacious.
Make yourself at home. Have a seat on the couch. Can I get you some coffee or water?
Coffee would be lovely, thanks.
Role play ends. That felt very polite.
Being a good host is all about making people feel comfortable.
Emily, my apartment is okay, but it's not my dream home.
Ooh, let's use our imagination. Let's use the grammar of conditionals. If I were rich, I would.
If I were rich, I would buy a big mansion on the beach.
Nice. What would it have?
It would have a swimming pool and a home theater for watching movies.
My dream home would have a huge library with a fireplace and a big garden full of flowers.
Would you have a cleaner?
Definitely. If I had a big house, I would hire a cleaner so I never have to scrub the toilet again.
That is the best dream.
Listeners, what is your dream home? Let's practice the grammar.
Paul, we have been talking for 80 minutes. I feel like we've built a whole house with words.
We certainly have. We covered types of homes, rooms, furniture, chores, problems, and even dreams.
I feel like I can give a tour of my apartment in English now. This is the sofa, that's the fridge, and please ignore the mess.
Perfect. Remember, friends, your home is where you spend the most time. Labeling things in your house is a great way to learn. Habit number 5 from our last video.
Put a sticky note on your fridge.
Before we go, we have homework for you.
In the comments, answer this question. What is your favorite room in your house and why? Is it the kitchen because of food? Is it the bedroom because of sleep? Tell us using the vocabulary from today.
We read every comment. Thank you for spending this time with us.
Please like the video if you learned a new word and subscribe to join our family.
Stay safe, stay happy, and make yourself at home in English.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.